Hi guys, let me welcome you all to another video. In today's video, we're going to do number systems. So let's go through the scenario together. So it says here, are the following numbers rational or irrational? Now let's first define what rational and irrational numbers are. A rational number, a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction a over b, but b cannot be equals to 0. An irrational number, an irrational number Any rational number is any number that cannot be written in this form as a fraction where b cannot be equals to 0. So let's look at the first question. Here we've got 1/3 pi. 1/3 pi can be written as 1 over 3 times pi, and we know that pi is 3,141. There's a lot of numbers, non-ending numbers following. And now because we're multiplying a rational by an irrational, it means the outcome is also going to be irrational, which is approximately equals to 1,04719 continuing. So this here, therefore, the answer is irrational number. In the second case, we have this is 1.1.1. In 1.1.2, you have 6 over 7, which is a rational, plus the cubed root of 8. And you know 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. And the cubed root can be written as to the power of 1 over 3 plus 6 over 7. So 3 and 1 over 3 cancels out. So this is 6 over 7 plus 2, which is equals to 6 over 7 plus 14 over 7. This 14 over 7 is 2, and this is 20 over 7. So this here is a rational number. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one.